Oh yeah, that's the way to do it. Hey, yo, Rob, what's up?
What's up,
What's up, homie?
Andrew?
You're in the house. I'm in the house too. But right now, we're gonna do some funky bass line, alright? Alright.
Yeah, that's it.
That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. But Rod, I'ma tell you, this is a song entitled Kagat ng Aso in Tagalog, in case you didn't know, alright?
Yeah.
But right now, what I want you to do is kick lyrics with me, alright?
Yeah, I'm
but
kicking it.
I'ma tell you. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
If you're ready, yo.
Okay,
Alright, here we
let's
go.
kick it.
As we go, we'll let there's something like this.
Go.
And so, kinagabihan, nagsama-sama buong barkada. At kaming lahat nagtipon-tipon sa aming mumunting plaza. Pinaplano kung magkano ang dapat na maging sweldo. Kung susuyurin lang lahat ng mayayamang tao sa Dunggalo. Paranaque, so katulad ng dati, kami-kami ay nangaroling. Dala-dala namin gitara ni Ipe na kulang sa guitar string. Nang pagpasok namin sa Santa Monica at bago dumating sa kanto, may nakita kami, ang dami-dami, ang lalaking aso. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. You know what I'm saying? Hey yo, homie, what's the name of this song? Kagat ng Aso. Yes. Real cool. Real cool. We're gonna do it again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, check it out.
Alright, check it out. Well, what's the name of this song? Kagat ng Aso. Alright, man. Magagandang chick nakatambay sa mga aso di namin pinansin. Basta't wag lang kaming magtatakbo, hindi kami hahabulin. So lakas loob kaming lumakad, iniingatan ang aming poise. Sikat na sikat at center of attraction, Andrew E. and the boys. So nang kami ay paalis na upang humanap ng ibang bahay, kami ay nanginginig at pawis na pawis at lahat ay hindi mapalagay. Paano ba naman sa aming harapan? Oh my God, ang tatalas ng ngipin. Mga aso ay naglalaway and feeling ko kami lalapain. Yeah, pump it up, pump it up. Yo, that's the way to do it. But you know what? What's the name of this song? Kagat ng Aso. That's the way to do it. Yo, we gotta do it one more time. But you know what? I'm gonna get some real fucking lyrics. But before we forget, what's the name of this song? Kagat ng Aso. Here we go. Ganon talaga ang buhay pag talagang minamalas. Nang ako'y tumakbo, naiwan ko relo at saka tsinelas. Sayang. Gusto ko sanang balikan, ngunit iisa ang aking napansin. Aking napunan ng lilisik na mata at naglalakihang ngipin. Kaya't ang inyong lingkod, Andrew E. Walang magawa. Pagkat tumatakbo, biglang natalisod, kawawang bata nadapa. Padating na sa amin ng aso, kaya ng Andrew mangiyak-iyak. Gas-gas ang tuhod, tumingin sa likod, and guess what, you know, ako'y shock. Oo, si Ipe napapasigaw. Too bad, ang malas ni Ipe, siya ang nahuli, so swerte kaming tatlo, yeah. Kay bilis ng mga pangyayari, di ko na namalayan ng lahat. Biruin mo sa aming apat, si Ipi pa ang nakagat. So umuwi kaming apat, at lahat umuwi sabay-sabay. Inaasahan isang taong sermon mula sa kanyang nanay. Kaya ang pangangaroling, di ko na uulitin please, para di magkaroon ng kagat ng aso